The Philippine National Police reaffirms its commitment to uphold the principles of justice, peace, and respect for all individuals' rights, including religious freedoms. We recognize and respect the diverse beliefs and practices of all communities and are dedicated to ensuring that every individual can exercise their religious freedom without fear or hindrance. In alignment with the Office of the Chief of the PNP, we affirm our responsibility to protect and support the exercise of religious rights. We pledge to maintain a balanced approach in our duties, ensuring that the rights and freedoms of all individuals are safeguarded in accordance with the law. The PNP remains steadfast in its mission to serve and protect while upholding the values of respect and exclusivity for all religious groups.